let's bring her on home. Let's get her down first. Get her under a respectable height here. Let me turn it back to camera here. All right, get her back to a respectable height here. Change the EV a little bit. Bump up that EV. And we're going to bring her on home. Since she's easy, even though she's small, she's easy to see now because I got her in kind of a darker sky here. So I can see her lights on it very well. Oops. Moving her out to the ocean, actually. Let me put my map on here. And you see the map and how I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to follow that red line right back to me. Okay, I can go back to the camera again here. There we go. I'm following the red line home, man. Filming and recording and all that. I thought I'm recording. Strong wind warning. She's bopping around a little bit. But she's almost above me. Here. Because she's looking at the beach. Let's spin her around, see what she's seeing. There's the building. There's Lucy. I see her. So got some more low light tests here. Yeah, pretty good in low light. You can really see that light on the front of her now. And you can see the battery going down the front of her too. I didn't realize that. You can visually see the battery. So, all right, there I am. All right, folks, we're going to stop this flight here. It's been a good flight with the Mini, and I hope you folks enjoyed that low light test. And we will we will see you in the next one, folks. And we will see you in Drone Nation tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Every Monday night, Marcus Crawford and myself, we discuss the weekend drones.